Hello everyone. Hey Beauty Connoisseurs. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the channel if you're new here. Also, if you're new, I would appreciate it if you would go ahead and hit the red subscription button down below. Also click on the notification bell so that you will always know when I upload a video. I really hope you would join my channel, and I hope you like my channel, and I hope you like the videos that I do. Now, if you're interested in this wig that I'm wearing, it is by Outre, and her name is Curl Trip, and I did a review on it, and I'll leave the information card for that review right up here. So, today is Wonderful Wig Wednesday. Yay! I try to upload at least every Wednesday on my channel, and at least one or two other videos per week. So today I'm still on the Outre bandwagon. Y'all know Outre's been showing out this year, and I have another Converti cap wig. This is a Converti cap as well, and her name is Hawaiian Hottie. And that's what she looks like on the stock card, and I have her in the color DR2 Honey Brown. And this is what she looks like. She really reminds me of that Neesha texture. If you're familiar with the Neesha line of units that they have. And this is the cap construction. Here's the comb across the front and the comb in the back. And you have this drawstring because you can wear it as a full wig, half wig, or you can wear it as a ponytail. And this drawstring is very convenient because you can tighten it or loosen it to where it'll fit your head, or go around a ponytail. So yeah, she really does remind me of Neesha. And they even came out with some Neesha half wigs, so I don't really know what the difference is, but whatever Outre is doing, they're doing something right. So I'm going to switch out these units, and I'll be right back. All right, here's Hawaiian Hottie, and she really feels and looks like Neesha. I think I have Neesha 202 in this color, and it's like almost her twin sister. And I love the length. It's not too long. It's a nice everyday length. And this is what it looks like all the way around. And it's very lightweight. And of course, you have the versatility as usual with these Converti wigs or half wigs. You don't have to have it brushed over to the side. You can do it like that. And you can do your half up, half down. Looking like Pebbles, Flintstone. And you can also pull all of it back into a low pony and wear it like that. Just make sure that drawstring is tied in the back, or tucked underneath, I'm sorry. And you can also swoop it up. Swoop it up into a high pony. Of course, it's messy. I'm not taking my time, but if I was to take my time and get it really smooth, you could wear it up like that. So, and I was expecting a lot more shedding, but there's one strand of hair in this brush, and I would have thought it would shed it a lot more with it being this blonde color, but the brush is gliding through, no tangles. And I never really had a problem with my Neesha wig tangling either. So yeah, this is another winner by Outre. Yeah, and these wigs are very affordable. I don't know if I mentioned that, but this wig was like $15 or $16 or something like that. Very, very, very affordable. That's why I bought 2 of them. The one I had on in this previous video, they were together. I didn't even pay like $31. So let's put on some sunnies. So once again, thank you for stopping by to watch this video. Please like, comment, and share, and give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.